My name's Isabella Slaina, and I'm a junior in the BSN nursing program. What inspired me to choose nursing was every time I went to the doctor's office or to the hospital when I had something wrong with me, I always remembered how nice the nurses were, and it just really inspired me to want to be the same type of person to make them comfortable and sure in times of doubt. And I chose YSU because I've always heard they've had such a good nursing program, and it was so close to home, it just made sense. Probably personally, I've made a lot of friends throughout the program, and we really get each other through it. We help each other with everything, all of our assignments and studying, and I've gotten so close with them now. We hang out outside of school and we go over each other's apartments, and it's just like a nice bonding experience to know that you're not alone too, and you are like kind of bonded together through the experience. A typical day for me at YSU would be to wake up around 6:30 and get ready for school. I like to have a little breakfast before I leave my house, make a little coffee. It takes me about 20 minutes or so to drive down to campus, and then I'll get to campus around like 7:30, 7:40, and then go to my classes for 8. I'll typically be done around noon, sometimes a little earlier, later, just depends on the day and the classes. And then after that, it gives me enough time to go to the gym and go to work, and then come back home and then get to do some more little schoolwork or study and then go to bed. Well, a moment for sure at the hospital was when I was caring for an older patient, and I was just doing like the full little rundown, like the hygiene purposes, and just talking to them and getting to know them, doing like the basic human conversation. And they said they hadn't had that in such a long time, and then getting their hair done by just like me braiding it and brushing it and washing it for them, it just made them feel like so humane again. And that kind of just reminded me that like it's not always about the medicine, it could just be about like the personal aspect of it too. During one of our clinicals, we went down to the Canfield Fair and we sat in one of the booths and just gave out free blood pressure screenings and readings. And this one was actually really nice because it offered a free screening for people that don't normally go to the doctors. And this is like their doctor's appointment. Like they have little cards that they'll keep throughout the years of us doing their blood pressure screenings. And if they don't know anything about what that means, we'll give them a little rundown. And then we also went to the elementary schools locally around here and did the vision and hearing screenings for the little kids. Something I wish I would have known is that it's not as stressful as people say. Like, yes, you have to study, and yes, you have to do the work, but you can also have fun with it too. Like, you make friends with all the people you have classes with. You just make it your own experience, and it's okay to have a job and work through school. It's okay to have your friends still that you hang out with. Your life doesn't constantly need to revolve around studying and getting ready for the next test. You can live a little in between too.